Subject-verb agreement. Subjects and verbs must agree in number. In addition to the explanations in this video, also see the post on subject-verb agreement. If the subject is singular, the verb must agree in number. The verb must be singular too. For example, she writes every day. The subject is the word she. It is singular. The verb is the word writes. It is also singular. For the exception, when using the singular they, use plural verb forms. Example, the participant expressed satisfaction with their job. They are currently in a managerial role at the organization. The subject is the word they. The verb is the word are. If the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. For example, they write every day. The subject is the word they. The verb is the word write. Sometimes, however, it seems a bit more complicated than this. Let us see rule number 3. When the subject of the sentence is composed of two or more nouns or pronouns connected by and, use a plural verb. For example, the doctoral student and the committee members write every day. We used the connective word and. The subjects are doctoral student and committee members. This is a compound subject. Therefore, we use a plural verb. That's why we use the word write. When there is one subject and more than one verb, the verbs throughout the sentence must agree with the subject. For example, interviews are one way to collect data and allow researchers to gain an in-depth understanding of participants. The subject is the word interviews. We only have one subject, and the subject is plural. Therefore, we will use plural verbs. The verbs here are the words are and allow. When a phrase comes between the subject and the verb, remember that the verb still agrees with the subject, not the noun or pronoun in the phrase following the subject of the sentence. For example, the student as well as the committee members is excited. When two or more singular nouns or pronouns are connected by or, nor, use a singular verb. For example, the chairperson or the CEO approves the proposal before proceeding. As you might have noticed, the sentence used the connective word or. Therefore, we use the singular verb approves. When a compound subject contains both a singular and a plural noun or pronoun joined by or nor, the verb should agree with the part of the subject that is closest to the verb. This is also called the rule of proximity. For example, the student or the committee members write every day. The closest subject is the committee members. The subject is plural. Therefore, we use the verb write, which is also plural. Finally, the words and phrases each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, nobody, somebody, someone, and no one are singular and require a singular verb. For example, each of the participants was willing to be recorded. The subject is the word each. It is singular. Therefore, we use the verb was. It is also singular. That's all for today's video. See you again next time.